Hello everyone from Ukraine. Who watched past video knows that I had problems with the fork. Quite a lot of oil leaked. As I was driving at the time, the oil also coated the brake discs and pads. The brake pads are heavily oiled and cannot be cleaned. Today I got new brake pads and I will show you how to change them. Every service starts with a motorcycle wash, and I prefer to use stand to keep the bike level. Firstly, you need to break the guide screws. You can do that on both sides or you can do that on both sides. Next you can unscrew the main screws. Slightly shaking, then remove the caliper. The motorcycle has about 14,000 kilometers, but the brake pads are like new. It's because I'm not racer. My driving style is very careful and I avoid hard braking. But unfortunately the brake pads have a porous structure and are too heavy saturated with oil. When the caliper is in your hands, you can completely unscrew the guides and set them aside. Then you can remove the brake pads. To clean the brake pistons, I press the brake several times, but this must be done carefully, so as not to completely squeeze out the pistons, otherwise you will have to change all the brake fluid and pump the brakes. Then you can clean everything inside. I also use shoelace to completely wrap around each piston. I just wrap the string around the piston and pull. It's better to move the pistons several times by pressing them. They should move freely. I ordered cheap pads, since I do not participate in competitions. They are enough for me. You can press the pistons deeper with your hands and insert the new parts. And then we twist white screws. I grease the bolts a little so that after a year they can be easily unscrewed. And final bolt tightening. Thank you for watching and stand with Ukraine.